technology buyers, people who are involved with technology in their work, spend a huge amount of time benefiting from the feedback of the internet at large, right? I want to buy a book, I want to buy a piece of software, I want to buy a new computer. I'm going to rely on other people's feedback posted at that vendor's site. But when it comes to security and fraud in particular, there's still a chill in the air around willingness to share. And we're trying to change that around.
I mean, the whole idea behind the service that we provide is to build a platform that allows online businesses from around the world to share information about risk. So the technology itself is about community, and it's nice to see an actual, person-to-person extension of that community that we're trying to build.
A while ago in fraud, it was, I'm going to protect my house, and they can go take advantage of somebody else. But through organizations like iovation and like their community website that they've set up, they're really taking more of a, it's us, it's all of us, it's this community. We have to work together to try to snuff out the fraud, to try to prevent people from taking advantage, and that's how we're going to ultimately succeed.
It's not just something you turn on and it magically works. It's something that you need to work with, and fraudsters evolve, and the tools that you use and the rules that you use to catch fraudsters need to evolve, and this is something you need to work with, and the more you work with it, the more value you'll get from it.
I can hardly think of a week that goes by that we don't learn of some new way that our customers are using the tool that maybe we had an inkling about but hadn't fully fleshed out, or in some cases we just never had thought about at all.
Netspend is a relatively young company. We're young in our fraud department, and one of the ways we've been able to be successful is by leveraging those who have already been through some of the wars that we're just now getting into.
They're preventing the frauds that would ultimately drive good users away. So really protecting their communities through the power of community and the consortium that they're sharing intelligence with across the iovation customer base.